Hi, I'm King 5 meteorologist Rich Murray with the King 5 Plus weather. And boy, what a weekend. It was a perfect Father's Day yesterday. We hit the normal high, 71 degrees yesterday. Just a beautiful day to be out and about. And of course, with the sunny skies, it really lets you enjoy the sunshine, which is up to almost 12 hours of daylight now. So you throw in the twilight, so it doesn't have much part, and not much of the evening is dark anymore. So just it was a beautiful day to be out and about. And we're going to continue that today and on into tomorrow. But there's changes headed our way as we head towards the middle part of the week. Mid-morning looking out, you can see there in Bellingham, you've got plenty of sunshine going on, and we will expect to see a few high clouds kind of moving through and filtering the sun occasionally during the day today, but shouldn't, you may not even notice that. And temperatures will pick up a couple degrees over the weekend. Could see a few places make it into the mid-70s. See there at Everett's Painfield looking good. Queen Anne Tower Cam shot looking out there towards Mount Rainier. You can see we do have just a few clouds kind of drifting through. It's a front actually, but that's about all it can muster is some high clouds as it moves through during the day today. Take a look at Westport. They've had some clouds there this morning, but they're breaking out to partly sunny skies. So see a little bit of sunshine. They're only going to get into the upper 50s for highs today. So it's still kind of chilly out along the coastal beaches. Take a look at our first alert 7-day forecast. We're in pretty good shape today and tomorrow with sunshine. Those temperatures staying upper 60s and low to mid 70s. But you see as we head towards the middle of the week, we start to see a few showers around. And then with the arrival of summer officially on Friday, of course, that means we're going to be looking for some cooler weather. It always works out that way. But we're going to drop back to the mid 60s for that first weekend of summer with a few showers, but nothing too serious. Quantities out of any showers we get are going to be generally fairly light. Take a look at the satellite image. You can see we've got this big low sitting up here kind of off the coast of northern BC, southeastern Alaska, kind of spinning around and spinning some systems out of it. They've been mostly going by us recently, but some changes taking place, and we're going to see a system push through today. But again, what it's bringing us is just the high clouds. One behind that is going to give us a better chance of seeing a few showers as we head towards later tomorrow into Wednesday. And then the whole low that's been sitting up here is going to gradually drop down the coast as we head towards later on in the week, and then swing inland as we head towards late Friday and Saturday, mainly into Oregon, but it'll be right near the Oregon-Washington border. So we'll be getting probably a decent round of showers out of that as we head into Saturday. But again, quantities overall are going to be fairly light. If we take a look at the shorter term of the computer models, you can see the clouds just kind of rolling through during the day today. And then as we head towards tonight into early tomorrow, we start to see that next little system start to approach us. Should bring some showers out to the ocean beaches as we head towards tomorrow morning. It probably is going to hold off from Puget Sound until late afternoon or more likely the evening before we start to develop showers tomorrow. That's going to allow us to push right back up into the upper 60s and low to some mid 70s on Tuesday. And then it looks like we get a pretty good band just poised to move in as we head towards Wednesday, and that should give us some showers. They'll probably mix with sunshine for midweek. Take a look at our temperatures around western Washington. You can see up there in the northern counties for today, we're going to be looking for mostly mid to upper 60s near the waters. You move inland, we've got some even mid 70s. You get closer to the Cascades. So as usual, the farther you get from the water, the warmer it's going to be for you. Down around Snohomish County, you're looking at mostly 70s and to mid to upper 60s out there towards Whidbey and Camano Islands. Down in King County, a lot of mid 70s, especially east of the Sound, and a few over there. Bremerton expecting 75 degrees today and 76 in Auburn. Down south, we're going to be looking for those temperatures in the low to mid 70s. The Puyallup getting up to 76 degrees this afternoon, so it's our hot spot, it looks like. Checking out towards the coast, you can see those temperatures stay pretty cool thanks to being next to the ocean, upper 50s and mid 60s as you move inland. Up to the north there, over the Olympic Peninsula, we'll see the high temperatures this afternoon range from the mid to upper 50s near the coast into the mid 60s as you move inland. And then, as usual, east of the Cascades, that's the place to be to really warm up today. We're going to be looking for sunshine and those high temperatures getting into the low 80s near the Cascade foothills, Ellensburg specifically, and then upper 80s and low 90s as you move farther to the east. Also looking for some gusty winds developing around the Ellensburg area as we head towards this afternoon, which is pretty normal for this time of the year. Take a look at the Mariners' first pitch forecast for today. They're going to be playing the Red Sox at 6:40 tonight. It should be partly sunny. Temperatures for that first pitch right around 70 degrees, looking pretty good overall. And then as we head through the evening, you see we're probably down into the low to mid 60s by the end of the game, so you might need a light jacket by then. But also if you keep moving around and cheering for them, you probably will stay warm enough. enough. Also, we have more of the Club World Cup going on, and the next game is on Tuesday. I'm not going to attempt the names, but it's going to be at noon tomorrow. Looks like it's going to be pretty decent. We'll see temperatures in the mid-60s with partly sunny skies. In fact, then the next one is on Thursday, so we missed kind of the showery day on Wednesday. The one that's most likely to see showers looks like it's going to be the one on Saturday. So we'll keep track of that as we get closer to the games themselves. Checking up in the mountains, you can see there at Hurricane Ridge, we've got a nice looking day. Few high clouds starting to drift in there, and seeing a blue sky there at Paradise right now, and you see the mountain passes, seeing some sunshine, so a pretty good day to do a little bit of hiking. See overall those temperatures that have pass levels getting up into the mid-60s this afternoon, so pretty good hiking weather overall. And as we head into tomorrow, not too much difference. We'll start to see more clouds move in, and temperatures once again getting into the mid-60s for highs at the highway passes. Overall though, down here in the lowlands, we're going to be looking for partly sunny skies today, upper 60s and low to mid 70s. About the same tomorrow, but by later in the day, you're going to start to see some showers start to move in. We see showers out on the coastal beaches on Tuesday. Wednesday, more likely to see those showers around and partly sunny, still a little bit of sun mixed in. Temperatures right around 70 degrees. Should be dry in the lowlands on Thursday, but we will look for a chance of a few showers up in the mountains on the holiday for Juneteenth there on Thursday. And again, right around 70 degrees in the lowlands. And then as summer arrives on Friday, showers, so there'll be more showers around, but still just a few mixed with some sun breaks, highs dropping back to the mid-60s. Saturday's the most likely day to see showers of any consequence. We could pick up maybe 1 to 2/10 of an inch of rain out of those showers. Highs again staying in the mid-60s. And then just a few showers left over as we head towards Sunday, and those temperatures running mostly in the mid-60s. Checking the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, you see we do start to warm back up again though once we get into next week, and could see some days moving back up into the low to mid-70s.